Hi there, my name is Michelle Matuszewski. I'm one of your librarians here at Ministry Healthcare. Today I want to tell you how to find full text articles using our A to Z journals list. Did you know Ministry Healthcare Associates can access more than 10,000 e-journals in medicine, nursing, and business? Library Services purchases online access to many of these so you can use them wherever you are around the system. In some cases, our full text access to a particular article may reside in what's known as the invisible web. That is, a subscribed full text collection like CINAHL or Clinical Key or journals at Ovid, rather than directly at the publisher's website. Contrary to popular belief, Google tends to miss these deep links. In these cases, we have another tool to help us track down the full text. That is our A to Z journals list. So how do you get there? On the source, if you click on Departments and Intranets, then Library, that brings you to the Library intranet page. Over on the right side, there's a link for A to Z journals list, journal title search. This is the key for finding the full text for many articles. So if you have a citation for a particular journal article, you can use the A to Z journals list to see if we have access to the full text. For this method, it's important to understand the parts of a citation. So this is the article we are in search of today. Put it up on a notepad so that we could see what we're looking for while we're working. So it's important to understand the parts of a citation. So the top row, we have the authors. The article title for this one is Harry Potter and the Curse of Headache. It's in the journal Headache, published in June 2007. It's in volume 47, issue 6, and the page numbers are 911 to 916. We also have a PubMed ID number here with the citation, and although that gives you some shortcuts, we are focusing on finding this one the long way. So in the search box, we can type in the journal title. In this case, that's headache. We want the journal title, not the article title. It's important to understand this is really just an index to what we have online access to. It doesn't search the full text of those journals. So we're searching for the journal Headache, and the results come up. It tells us we have access to Headache from 4 different sources. Wiley-Blackwell goes back to 1997 to the present. Academic Search Premier and CINAHL with full text run from the year 2000 to 1 year ago. So if the citation we were looking for were in the last year, Academic Search Premier and CINAHL would not be good choices. We'd have to look for it in the Wiley-Blackwell link because that goes up to the present. We also have it in print at the Mercy Library, and sometimes print is the only option, so don't be afraid to contact me if you do have something and we only have it in print. I can very easily pull it off the shelf, scan it, and email it to you. It's no problem. So for this demonstration, we're going to use the CINAHL with full text link. So this brings us to the Headache Journal as it lives in the CINAHL with full text database. So we're at the front door of this journal. We still need to drill down to this particular article. So we know we have the issue numbers over here by the year. We know we need 2007. So we click on 2007. Next, we know we want the June issue. So 47.6 is right here. And there's something funny with the Nursing Reference Center interface. It always makes me do it twice. So 47.6, the June issue, here we are. So there are 32 articles in this particular issue. You could scroll down, just kind of keep your eye on the page numbers, scroll down that way. But another option I like to use is to use the Control F, which gives you this handy little search box here. And then you can type in something unique from the title of that article and just search the page and it brings you right down to it. If you wanted to read that article on screen, you could click on the title link. It also gives you the PDF option. So here you have the PDF for the very article we've been searching for. Over at the top left in Chrome, you have the option to download this article and save it as a PDF. You can also print it. So there you have it, how to find the full text of an article using the A to Z journals list. Although we have excellent online collections, we don't have online access to everything ever published. In most cases, we can get it for you through other means. We do have connections with libraries all over the country, including the National Library of Medicine and the Library of Congress. So don't be afraid to ask us if you find something you just can't get the full text to. We may have other means to get it for you. So there it is. Questions? Contact your librarians, Michelle Matuszewski or Deb Knippel. Thanks for watching.